Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is Tech with Yomi, and today we are going to review the iKanzi Wireless Bluetooth Earbuds. Now, I purchased these earbuds on Amazon. These earbuds, they're made and manufactured overseas. The iKanzi company or the brand doesn't really have a website. They're just sold on Amazon, Walmart, and a couple of other places. They're wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and I was shopping around for some earbuds to use for working out. I bought these. Now, these are priced between $40 and $50 on Amazon, and I'm gonna open it up now and show you what's inside. So when you go inside, you have the case. This is the charger, and here is the cord. So I'm gonna take out the charger. Now, this charger, you always want to keep the earbuds in this charger. This is how it charges. You can see there's those 3 LED lights. I'll show you guys how that works in just a second. And this is the USB cord that connects to the charger. Now, on the charger, you can connect the USB portion here. Connect that there, and this will go to the plug, to the wall outlet, to an adapter or wall outlet. It will look something like this. So you connect it to that, it goes right into the wall. The beauty about these chargers, you can actually charge your phone. So what you do is you use the USB side, and if you have, I think this goes into an Android phone, so I don't think this will work with the latest Apple iPhones 5 and 6 and up. So, but this will work with an Android phone because they don't usually change their connectors. So if you want to charge your phone, you can do that with this device, and this charger will allow for you to charge your phone. Now, once you take the earbuds out, you'll see that they have those lights there, and I'll explain. You see those lights are in just a second. You have a user manual. You don't want to lose that. A carrying case. In the carrying case, you have some earpieces so that the earbuds can fit in your ears snug. Now, this user manual, you don't want to lose that because there's some important troubleshooting information that you're going to need to have on you, should in case you come across these troubleshooting issues. I have come across them, and I'll explain them later. Once you get your earbuds and you open them up in a charger, you're going to see that there are 3 LED lights. That means that it's fully charged. If it's 3 lights, that means it's 100% charged. 2 lights, it's about 60 to 50% charged, and 1 light, it's usually about 30 or less % charged. So when you take the earbuds out of the charger, you'll hear a voice that says power on both sides. You'll hear connected. You'll hear that on both sides. Then you'll hear left channel, right channel. Pairing, and pairing just means that the left side and the right side are connected together, so you'll hear the sound in both. And then it'll say device connected or second device connected, which means that it's connected or paired with your mobile device. So if you have your Bluetooth phone and you set your Bluetooth function to the on position, you will see that it's connected. Now, in your Bluetooth settings on your phone, you're going to look for X9. You click on the X9, and then when you take these out and they pair, then they'll connect to your phone automatically. If there are any problems pairing, just leave a comment below and I'll walk you right through it. Now, the range is, they say it's roughly about 30 feet. I'll say that you're in between walls and your distance 30 feet between walls, the sound is going to break up. So it's not going to be that clear. And the further you're away from the device that contains the music or whatever you're pairing to, the further you're away from the pairing device, the less sound you're going to hear, and you're going to hear a lot of breaking up. So, but what I have found is if you're in an open space like a gym, and you're 25 feet away from the pairing device, it's not as bad. You can hear pretty good. You can hear the sound pretty good. So in the open space, 25, 30 feet, it's perfect. But in closed spaces with walls, it's going to break up a lot. Now, the battery life is my knock on these things, because they last conservatively about an hour to maybe hour 30 minutes. I've gone some days as much as just under 2 hours, but that's because I stopped, listening to music, or I stopped playing features on my phone, so I conserved a little bit of the power. But if you run it straight, then you give or take is going to be about an hour and 40 minutes of playing time. Now, the beauty of these is that once you put them back in the charger, it may take maybe, give or take, maybe 15-20 minutes to get it fully charged. And you can see the red lights going back and forth. That just means that it's charging. When you don't see those lights anymore, then that means it's fully charged. And those 3 lights back there just means that the charger is fully charged. What can you use these for? Like the main thing for me was a lot of basketball. I do a lot of dribbling drills, and I got really aggressive in my dribbling drills to see if these things will fall off, and they don't fall off. I did a lot of crossover drills, you name it, these things stay in. And if you get a nice tight seal, if you get the right earpieces, you can get a really nice snug in your ear, and you won't hear anything. You won't hear any outside noise or any outside environment noise. You're pretty much plugged into the phones, and all you hear is the music coming out of the earpiece. So I love that about them. I also did some shooting and did some running around in the gym, and these things stay snug and fit really, really good. Sound quality is great. It's not the best for something that costs $40-50, but it's perfect for what you need it for. It's not too heavy on bass, it's not too light on bass, it's just right. Same thing with the treble. Seems like the sounds are very evenly tempered or evenly distributed. The sound quality is not the highest and best, but given the price, it's fine. It's great. I like it. I'm pleased with it. You want to keep instructions for troubleshooting, because there are times where it gets a little buggy. One side may not play, and you may hear the other side play. That means you may have to put the device or the buds back in the box, kind of have them regroup, repair, and bring them out and have them repaired again, so that you can get the sound. Someone calls you and you're speaking through the microphone of these buds. The person on the other side may not hear you that well, so the quality is a little poor when it comes to the mic. And these things can be very sensitive in terms of the touch features, because this is not sure which one is your left and which one is my right, but when you tap on one side, it plays the next thing on your music queue. If you're on Spotify, it plays the next music up. If you press and hold it, it will lower the volume, raise the volume on the right side, and if you press and hold on the left side, it will lower the volume on that side. You can skip music. If you have Siri or a voice assistant, you can access the voice assistant through the tapping feature. You can also answer calls. So if a call comes through, you can just tap once on the right side and the call will come through. But like I said before, the mic is not the best. It just depends how loud you speak. They may be able to hear you, but for the most part, the mic quality is not the best. They do say it's waterproof, but I haven't tested that, and I don't think I'm going to test that theory. So, but they do say it's waterproof, but I'm not going to take any chances. I like them. They're really good given the price. So pretty much the pros, they fit snug into the ear. Let me see if I can put them on without disturbing the Siri functions. so you guys can see how they are. And if I can shake my head like this, they don't move. They kind of stay in. And like I said, you tap here one time to control the volume to raise it up. Tap here to raise it down. Tap and hold, sorry. Tap once to skip music, and to also answer the phone. Again, another pros, the price is pretty reasonable, considering that other earbuds like this on the market are a little bit more expensive. They're probably up in the way over the $100 range. You can charge them fairly quickly with the charger. Just make sure after charging the buds maybe 3 or 4 times that you put the charger into the wall to charge the charger. The other thing is that there's good reviews on Amazon. A lot of people have bought this iKanzi wireless Bluetooth earbuds, and there are tons of good reviews that people are satisfied with these earbuds. Some of the cons are these are good for working out and doing activities. If you want to watch movies, or you want to use it as a daily use, kind of like a daily headset, I wouldn't advise it because the battery life is not long enough for it to be able to use it that way. You can only get the most an hour and 30 minutes to maybe 2 hours of use, and most movies now run well over 2 hours, hour and 40 minutes, 45 minutes. So you're gonna have to put these back into the charger and then wait and then take them out so you can watch the rest of the movie. So not good for that. It's also not good for daily use if you want to make calls. The mic is not that great, so it's, people on the other side are not going to hear you. They're going to get frustrated, so it's really not good for that. So the best use is for activities, working out. I like it for that. You got to be careful because you can lose these. They're small. You can easily lose these, and you can misplace them. So I know when I work out, I stick them in a charger and I put them in my bags. It can be buggy at times. Sometimes you have to repair them. So you have to put them back in the charger, take them out, repair them with your device. Sometimes you hear one side and not the other. And that's easily fixable. If you go into your troubleshooting guide, it'll tell you how to take care of that. It doesn't happen often, but every once in a while it does, but it's not a deal breaker. At least it wasn't for me. And then the battery time, obviously these, only going to give you about an hour, 40 minutes or so. So that was my only knock. But other than that, the iKanzi wireless Bluetooth earbuds, I think they're a great product for earbuds, or at least for listening to music while you're exercising. And yeah, I'm pleased with mine. And if you guys decide to pick it up, I have a link in the description that'll take you right to where all the reviews are. You can see all the reviews on Amazon. And if you do buy them, just let me know if you have any issues with troubleshooting, because I've gone through pretty much everything and I've troubleshooted a lot of issues, and so far it's been working and I'm pleased with it and I'm happy. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching. I'll have more reviews coming up on a lot of tech stuff, so make sure you subscribe to my channel, and yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one.